Alright, we're going to prepare today, or tonight, I should say. We're going to prepare tonight for our lab tomorrow. Okay, here's just a few little things that you need to know. Here is an example of a chemical formula. Okay, in that chemical formula, you have numbers and you have letters. The letters, this letter here tells you that we have hydrogen. This letter here tells you that we have oxygen. The subscripts, numbers down here, tells how many hydrogens we have, because this little number is right beside hydrogen. Whenever there's no number beside it, that simply means that there is one. These are called subscripts, and they tell you how many atoms. Okay? Tell you how many atoms of that element. And then you can do a ratio. In this, you have an H2O. Your ratio is 2 hydrogen atoms for every 1 oxygen atom. Now let's say you had something like this, C2H4. Well, the ratio will be 2 to 4, but you always reduce that, so it'll be a 1 to 2 ratio. Okay? Now, something else that we need to look at for the lab tomorrow. We have ionic bonds and molecular bonds. Ionic bonds take electrons. It's a transfer. There's no sharing, it's a transfer of them. This is going to be between two metals. It's going to be between a metal and a non-metal. Okay, so it's going to be off the left side of the periodic table and bonding with something on the right side of the periodic table. Okay? Now there's another type of bond called molecular bond. A molecular bond, it's sharing electrons. Alright, so you're going to share them, and this is between two nonmetals. So two things from the right side of the periodic table. Okay? Now, that's all I have to tell you to prepare you for tomorrow. But I will tell you this, because you watched the whole thing, I'm going to give you a chance to get bonus points. If you can come to me with something written on a piece of paper telling me another name for molecular bonds. You will get 5 bonus points on whatever you want to use it on. I will see your bright and shining faces tomorrow. Have a good rest of the weekend, and I will see you on Monday.